Hello everyone, my name is Michael, and I'm going to showcase to you the new Windows 3.1. So, here's my computer, and I've just installed Windows onto it with my floppy disks here. And a floppy disk is just like a circular cassette tape, and it contains information, and it'll tell the computer how it needs to work. Okay, so, oh, and also, I'm going to explain to you why you should get a computer and all about the World Wide Web, which is totally awesome. So, I'm going to start it up, and then we can begin. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see the monitor better. Okay, so here we are. This is called the Program Manager, and this is where all our little applications will be, and this is how you'll be able to do stuff with your computer. So this is the game section, and they actually have Solitaire on this computer, and it's really realistic and fun to play. Now I'm going to show you the File Manager. This is where you'll have all of your stuff saved, like your things that you'll write and all the other things that you do. So this computer has 2 megabytes of RAM and 20 megabytes of hard drive. Like, that is a ton. So here's everything. As you can see, those are all the files for the computer, and that's what tells it how to run. I'm sorry about how the monitor's a little bit crooked. I just got the computer and haven't figured it out quite right yet. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make documents. So, you'll click on the README section, and then we're going to be able to write stuff. Gone are the days of writing with pen and pencil. Also, unlike a typewriter, there's many different types of different looking words, and you can change the sizes of the words. Okay, so now I'm gonna start typing a little thing. This is a computer. You can write. This is a computer. You can write digitally. And yeah, you can type numbers, do basically absolutely anything with it. So it would be really useful if you're like writing a book or an article for your job. Okay, let's see what I'll show you next. Oh yes, printing. So you buy a printer and it squirts ink onto a piece of paper and it looks absolutely perfect, and that's how you can print your documents. Okay, here's another game. It's called Minesweeper. It comes with a computer. It's pretty fun. You can actually install other games onto your computer if you get a floppy disk with them on it. Okay, now I have to show you the internet. This is just the coolest part. If I could only find Internet Explorer, where is it? Oh hey, I could show you the calculator. So, your computer essentially does anything else any other of your tools that you have around your house does. And yes, it has a calculator on it. Yeah, really good. Okay, I'm just going to do a run command for Internet Explorer because I do not see it anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to close out all of these. And okay, file, run, explore. This just traveled along a wire from potentially hundreds of miles away. I know, amazing. So Netscape is your first page. It'll show up, and it tells you how you can make your own websites. It has other websites that you can go to, and this is called a permalink, and when you click on it, it'll take you to another page. That's really important to know. Okay, I'm gonna show you another website. So, this is where the first international conference is held. Yes, there was people on here, and they talked to each other all at the same time. But they weren't in the same place. So yeah, this is and it's the first ever. It's very historical. Ugh, I did not click on you. well, I might as well show it to you. This is an archive that contains links to a bunch of other websites, and it's updated twice a week. So if you want to find, another website, you should come to here. And let's go. So I'm going to show you this because it's an example of what you can do on the internet. It's like an online journal forum, and people put stuff that they have done here. This one's about watercoloring, and I did this to show you that there's so many things you can do on the internet. There's a bright future for it. So that's all done for today. I hope you enjoy this looking at the computer, and I hope you'll get some soon. Goodbye.